Hi, Linda Bradley from Princess House. I love to help busy people bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. And today I want to show you two of our products that have really been taken off, and they're our blenders. So it's summertime now. People are starting to make a lot of smoothies. I think that's the #1 reason why people buy a blender. And I wanted to show you the two that we have and to show you the differences. And the best news is they are both on sale. So the first one is our personal blender. And what's nice about this is you can see that it's small. It has a small footprint. It's great if you have a smaller kitchen, or you don't have a lot of counter space. A lot of people in the summer, they go to the campgrounds, not in tents because it's got a cord, but they'll have a camper, and it's great for that. This one is really nice because you can see that it has the actual top is 32 ounces. It comes with two different blades. One blade is for blending and one is for milling. And what that means is you can cut up, that's not the right word, blend your coffee grinds and things like that. But it also has 3 different lids. So if you want to drink it right away, you're just going to put this lid on. If you want to store it, it has a flat lid. And if you want to take it to go, it's got a little to-go cup lid, which is kind of cool. So it comes with 2 of these, and again, the 2 different the blades and then the lids. So this is on sale right now at half price. It's normally $199. And it is $99. So if you want to take advantage of it, definitely do that. I'm trying to find the grooves and I'm not doing a really good job. There it is. So this is half price. Then we got the big boy, all right? So this is comparable to a Vitamix. A lot of people have the Vitamix blenders, and I'm going to explain a little bit why. You might already know. So it's an extra large container, it's 68 ounces, and it's really cool because it has programmable settings. The 3 settings are smoothies, dips and blends, and soup. You can make hot soup. So you can make, I have all different recipes for you, broccoli soup, cauliflower soup, all different kinds. You just put it in and it comes out hot with the friction of the blades, and it's hot, all right? It's really cool. It's great for smoothies because it just blends up and down. It's twice as big. This is 32 ounce, this is 68 ounce. So that's why this is called a personal blender. This you might want to make smoothies for the family. And it also has what we call a tamper. The lid comes off and it has a tamper. So if you want to push down and help things stir, you can do that. This lid, by the way, is 1/2 cup. So you don't even need an extra measuring cup. You can pour any of your ingredients in here. The advantage of the larger one, the whole thing, is it's 1500 watts. This one's 600 watts. And 1500 watts means that it will pulverize your fruit whole. You don't even have to cut it, so it saves time. You can put your whole apples in there, the seeds, everything. So you're going to get more nutrition out of it. It pulverizes those things, and it just gives you all of the nutrition. It's stronger, again, because it has a 1500 watt motor, and it is just amazing. So here's the good news and the bad news. When Princess House brings new items out, we never really know how well they're going to go over. We have to wait and see. And the good news is, oh my gosh, our customers are loving the blender. Cannot keep up with production. So the good news is how much they love it. The bad news is it's on back order right now. In about 1 month, they're going to come back. So why am I telling you to buy something that you can't even get for a month? Because when you go to buy the Vitamix, they're over $500. And even ours full price is over $500, $559 I think. But it is on sale right now for $399. And it's a great offer that I don't want you to miss. We only have a couple of weeks left for this special, so I wanted you to know about it. You can just give me a deposit. Just put $100 down. I'll put it on layaway for you. Just pay a little bit every week, and by the time it comes out from back order, you will have it. All right? Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. Don't miss this special.